Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to send quotations of your tailoring service to customers on WhatsApp when they inquire on website, right? So the idea here is that you are running a tailoring service business, right? And for that you have created a website to promote your business and increase your visibility. So whenever any interested visitor visits your website, uh, he will find a form on that website which is an inquiry form that you have attached in that website. So if he is interested in your business and your services and he want to inquire, he is going to fill that form and submit that form. So as you receive that inquiry, you want to share with him or her the quotation of your tailoring business service on their WhatsApp accounts, right? Now to get this done you have two ways. One is that as and when you receive a new form submission or an inquiry here in a form that has been created with the help of Elementor application. So we have taken example of Elementor. You can use any other form building application as well, like Jotform or Typeform, right? So you receive an inquiry here in this form. So now you are going to manually sort out the details of the person who have inquired, then come to WhatsApp and manually type a message for that person and attach your tailor service quotation and send on WhatsApp. But if you're receiving hundreds of inquiries on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your crucial time and can be very problematic. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a new form submission or a new inquiry here in an Elementor form, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have inquired along with your tailoring service quotation here on WhatsApp. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So what Pabbly Connect will do, it will connect these two applications together such that as and when you receive a new inquiry, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered along with your tailoring service quotation, right? And the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Elementor Forms and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here you can see I have created this website and the name is Needle and Thread Tailors. So this is our business of tailoring and this is the name of our business, and we have made this website to improve our visibility online. And here in this website you can see we have attached a inquiry form here. So this form is created with the help of Elementor application. Okay, so whenever any interested person who is visiting our website want to know more about our tailoring business and services, he's going to fill this form here and submit this form, and to that person who have filled this form we are going to send the brochure and the quotation of our tailoring business here on the WhatsApp account. So I will show you, I'll fill this form on the behalf of any visitor and we will see if this visitor receives this WhatsApp message from our side with the quotation of our business here or not. Okay, so I'm filling this form here with the name as Anand Pal, the email address of Anand, the mobile number and the message. Let me fill the the message is this: inquiring for wedding dresses. Now I'm clicking on submit here. Okay, so you can see the form was sent successfully. Now we will check in WhatsApp if we receive the message. So you can see we have received a new message here. Let's check what is in the message. And is the message is this: hello Anand Pal, thank you for showing your interest in needle and thread tailors. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. Okay, so and this is a brochure, links attached. Let's check this also. So you can see it is a PDF file here. Okay, so we have this kind of brochure attached here. Okay, and this is a kind of message a person who is going to fill our form is going to receive. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here on this WhatsApp account without any manual typing or compilation of this message, just by filling inquiry form here in our website, this one. Okay, so let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your inquiry form and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Elementor form and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Elementor in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in second step, we'll bring the data of a person who's filled the form of Elementor here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the quotation on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally, we are going to send the quotation on the WhatsApp account of the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So I will tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made my free account, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Now from here, you have to come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. Okay, so to create a workflow, you have to click here on create workflow button, and here you have to enter a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill. So I filled the name as Tailor Shop Brochure from Elementor form to WhatsApp. Okay, now click on create here. Okay, so your workflow get created, and you will find these 2 things here, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be a form submission here in Elementor form, and the action would be to send the Tailor Shop's brochure on the WhatsApp account, right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, you have to choose your application as Elementor form. Wait a minute, Elementor, this one. Now you have to click on this trigger event and select this new form submission option. Okay, so this will generate a URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So by using this URL, we are going to connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. So you just have to click on copy here, and you have to go to your WordPress dashboard where you have created the website's page, and here you will find your page in this all pages. Okay, so let me search for my page here, needle. Okay, this is our page. Now I'm clicking on edit with Elementor option. Okay, so the editor of Elementor is opening up here. Okay, you can see. So now in this editor, you have to scroll down to your form. So this is our form here, click on it. And when you click on it, you will see on this left hand side this content option. So scroll down here, and here you will find this button actions after submit. Okay, so you have to click on, and this add action field appears. Here you have to search for webhook. Okay, click on webhook. Okay. Now when you click here on webhook, this webhook field will appear, this button will appear. So click on this webhook button. Here you will find this webhook URL field. Okay, so here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So paste it here in this webhook URL field. Okay, then click on this green update button right here. So you can see our website page is updated. Okay. And you will see in Pabbly Connect it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means it is time to bring the data from our Elementor form to here in Pabbly Connect. So let us open the page again. So I'm opening my website page from here, view page option, and we will fill the form again, and then we'll capture the data in Pabbly Connect. So now let me fill the form again, and the name I'm giving now is Zubair Hassan. This the email, the phone number, the message. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to click on submit. So you can see the form was sent successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured something. So you can see the data is captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So our first two steps are completed, right? So it is time for our next step. So let me show you the step. So our next and final step is this: send the quotation on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay. So now we are going to send the quotation of our business to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect, right? And to do this, we are going to use 360 dialog application to send the quotation on WhatsApp. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. Okay, so now in Pabbly Connect, you have to click here on this action window, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360, this one, WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay. So now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp automatically, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. Okay, so 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. So now in action event, you have to select send template message and then click on connect. Okay. From this window, you have to select add new connection option, and these fields will appear, the API key and the domain name. So you have to fill these things. So to find these things, we have to go to 360 dialog account, and there I have to generate a API key. So let me show you the process. So this is my 360 dialog account. So you can also set up your own 360 dialog account, and to do that, I suggest you to use the link that I have pasted in the description, so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices, right? So here I'm going to click on this WhatsApp accounts page. Okay, so you can see here this button, the generate API key button. So by clicking on this generate API key button, you can generate your own key, then copy that key and paste it here in this API key field, right? Okay, after that you have to put a domain here which will look like this link. So you will get the domain while generating the API key, right? Which will look like this link. So generally the link is this only. So you can paste this same link here, or you can paste the link that you got while generating the API key. After filling these two things, you just have to click on save here and you will be connected with 360 dialog. Okay. So this is a one-time process. Once you generated a API key, you can use the same key to make the connection afterwards with Pabbly Connect also. And once you made a connection by this process, next time you can choose this existing connection option also, as I am choosing, because I have made a connection before with 360 dialog in a different workflow. So now I am choosing existing connection and clicking on save here. And you will see that we are connected with 360 dialog. The connected button appears here, right? Now it is asking for a template. So let me first show you what are these templates. So I am going to my 360 dialog account again, and here I am clicking on this manage templates option. And here you will see these are the templates we have. So let me open one for you. So guys, templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp, right? So to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, first you have to create message templates here in 360 dialog. So to create a template, you just have to click here on add template button. And then here you have to enter a name of your template. You have to select a category of your template, the language in which you want to send the message, then the template's type. Okay, And here in this body field, you have to enter the main message that you want to send on WhatsApp. After that, click here on preview and submit, and your message template will be submitted. Okay. So after message template submission, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template. So once you got your templates approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp directly, right? So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use. So when I click here, you will see a list of all the approved templates we have in 360 Dialog. So the template I am using is send brochure final. This one is my template, so I'm selecting the template. So after selecting your template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up, and now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter or map the number of the person whose data we have captured here from the Elementor form. So to get that number here, you just have to click on this recipient's mobile number option, then click on Elementor form option, then map this number from here only, like this. Now it is asking this body field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these body fields? Let me show you. So I'm going to my 360 Dialogs account and I'm opening the template that we are using, which is this one, send brochure final. Okay, so you can see in this message template, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in double curly braces. So these are the body fields of our message, or our variables we have in our message. So you can see after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who have filled the form. Okay, so that is going to change with every new lead or every new form submission. After that, thank you for showing your interest in. So here we are going to put the name of the business. So if you have more than one business or one business page, that can also change. Here in the third field, we are going to enter the name of the service which we are providing. So if we have more than one services, that can also change. So these body fields needs to be changed with every new message, and to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values of these fields here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first in this first body field, I am going to map the name of the person. So to do that, click here, click on Elementor, then map the name from here only, like this. After this, in the second body field, so you can similarly you can map all other body fields also. Let me show you like this, body field 4. Okay, so in this body field, we are going to enter the link of the brochure or the quotation that we are sending to the person, right? So here is my quotation or the brochure, and here I'm going to click on share option, and this will generate a link. You can see the get link option. So click on copy link here and paste this link here in this body field 4, like this. Okay, so similarly you can also the things that can be mapped, you can map, or the things you want to fill like this, you can enter the details manually also. Let me fill other fields. So I have filled all other body fields also. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message on the WhatsApp account of this person, Zubair Hassan. So this is the WhatsApp account of this of Zubair. Let's click here on save and send test request, and you will see in a few minutes. Okay, you can see this, it started showing this kind of response, and we have received a new message also. Let's check, and it is saying, hello Zubair Hassan, thank you for showing your interest in needle and thread tailor. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our tailoring service, right? So you can see in the place of these body fields, the data is automatically filled up because we have mapped the data here like this. Okay, so our connection with WhatsApp is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected Elementor application. Then with the help of this URL, we connected our Elementor form. Then we captured the data of our form submission here like this. Then in this action window, we selected 360 dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp. Then we selected our template. Then we mapped the data required to send the message here like this. And you have seen when I click here on save and send test request, that message is received here, right? So our workflow is completed. Now just click on save here. Now let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. Okay, so if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.